Yeah, you can be like no road, waiting back for hands, waiting for the future, waiting to your plans. You're not talking God, you can do that too. God has all the answers, so help me follow through. You can raise your hands up as you walk in faith. You can move a mountain, there's no need to wait. You can live the future, don't believe in love. Go ahead and dedicate yourself to God. Deliver all the people so that they never saw. We can be like Abel, believe God is best. Live your life worthy to put you to the test. We can be like Daniel, kept himself good. He became strong, smart, brave, and mature. And took a part of leader, never man of his word. Trusted God to the end. Standing in the hall of fame. Exposed your holy name. When you run the right way. And the walls of the way. On the walls of the holiday.
Baby!